Hi there. Thank you for tuning in to today's practice. Start in a standing position with your feet together firmly planted down. Anchor your weight down evenly through your feet, setting your gaze on one spot. Open the arms, bending the elbows to a 90-degree angle. Pressing the elbows back, look up, expanding your chest. Deep inhale. As you exhale, bring the elbows together. Inhale, elbows press back. Exhale, elbows come together. Take a few more here, moving with your breath. Release your arms to the sides. Chair pose. Bend your knees, sinking your hips back and down. Inhale as you reach your hands overhead. Exhale, shifting the weight back into your heels. Let the heat build in your thighs. High lunge. Ground your hands into the mat. Bend your left knee, stepping your right foot back. Slowly lift your body up. If this is too much, feel free to lower your back knee down on the mat. Straighten your front leg for a pyramid pose. Grab a hold of your opposite elbows. Inhale, draw your shoulder blades in together. Exhale, pressing your tailbone back, feeling a nice stretch along your hamstrings. Back to high lunge. Place the sole of your foot on your calf or inner thigh for tree pose, keeping your gaze fixed on one point. Warrior 3. Slowly float the right leg up behind you and tip forward. Reach out through your right heel as if you're pressing a wall behind you. Fix your gaze gently on one unmoving point in front of you, engaging your right leg and your abs. Find high lunge, lowering your leg down. See if your front knee is over your ankle. Place the sole of your foot on your calf or inner thigh for tree pose. Slowly lift your right knee up towards your chest. Gently bring your right heel to rest as high as you can on the front of your left hip. The sole of your foot will be facing the sky. If you find it hard to balance, use the wall or a chair as support. Inhale, allow your right knee to drop down. Don't force it beyond what feels natural. Slowly lower your foot down. Bend your knees and move your hips back as if you were sitting down on a chair. Inhale, relaxing your facial muscles. Deep breath in and out. High lunge, step your left foot back. Turn your left hip slightly forward to get square hips. Straighten your front leg for a pyramid pose. Grab a hold of your opposite elbows. Inhale, crown of your head extends forward. Exhale, pressing your tailbone back. Back to high lunge. Tree pose. Place the sole of your foot on your calf or inner thigh. Avoid your knee. Warrior 3. Slowly float the left leg up behind you and tip forward. Press the floor away with your front foot, slowly extending it straight. Don't worry about lifting your leg high. Find high lunge, lowering your leg down. Tree pose. Place the sole of your foot on your calf or inner thigh. Gently bring your left heel to rest as high as you can on the front of your right hip. The sole of your foot is facing. Inhale, keep your gaze focused on one spot. Slowly lower your foot down. Ragdoll. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, bend forward, pressing your fingertips onto your hip bones and lengthening your torso. Make sure to bend from the hips and not the waist. Sway right to left if that feels good. Ground your hands and knees for tabletop. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and hips over knees. Leg extension. Extend your right leg. Inhale, heel goes up. Exhale, lengthen from the crown of your head till the tip of your toes. Inhale, squeezing your abs. Exhale, press into your palms. Other side. Extend your left leg. Inhale, heel goes up. Exhale, finding length in your body. Release the leg down. Tabletop to child's pose. Bring your big toes together, knees pointed outwards. Walk your hands forward. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, sit your hips back on your heels for a child's pose. Breathe in, press into the hands, shifting your weight forward to come back on your hands and knees. Exhale, send your hips back to your child's pose. Inhale up, exhale, child's pose, pressing your armpits into the mat. Inhale up, exhale, lengthening through the spine. End your practice in child's pose. Sit your hips over your heels. Extend your arms long. Release the tension in your shoulders. Soften your face, your throat, the tops of your shoulders, the arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.